Hello, my old gauge friends. Tonight, we are running some new tanker cars, single dome tanker cars by ready-to-made trains. And I gotta tell you, I really like these cars. They have hatches that open. They're very detailed. They're a scale model, and I think ready-to-made trains is definitely going to be a major competition to Menards. I think it's a better car than Menards, personally. They got metal trucks. They have everything that a higher-end boxcar would have. And here you can see the labeling. Okay. They're out of New Jersey. Ready-made trains. Well, you guys out there that want some rolling stock and you don't want to go for $60, $70, or $50 or $60 a car, take a look at these tanker cars. Look at the detail. One is a Monsanto, the other one is Niagara Falls Hooker Chemicals, and the other one is Deep Rock Oil. Old school tankers. They look beautiful too, going around with that switcher. So ready to make, guys. Ready made trains. Ready-made trains. Okay, guys. We'll see you on the next shoot. Ready-made trains. Take care.